Imagine looking up at the night sky, watching the bright, familiar silver glow of the moon. It has anchored our oceans, guided our ancestors, and stabilized our planet for billions of years. But in a single, terrifying frame, the universe decides to rewrite the laws of physics. The moon doesn't explode, it doesn't break apart. Instead, its entire massive volume is instantly crushed, compacted into a space so impossibly dense that it collapses into a black hole. But here is the trick of cosmic mechanics. It hasn't gained any weight. Because it keeps its exact original mass, it doesn't instantly pull the Earth into a vortex. Instead, the moon has simply shrunk, transformed into a microscopic speck, less than 1 millimeter wide, a grain of dark sand, floating in a bottomless cosmic grave. The light is gone. The night sky plunges into a flat, unnatural pitch black. But as humanity stares out into the new darkness, the real nightmare is already beginning to fracture our world. Gravity is a precise balance, and changing the shape of that balance triggers a global tectonic breakdown. The oceans respond first. Without the wide gravitational bulge of the moon, the tides completely fail. The sea level drops violently in a sudden, massive aquatic shelf collapse, locking the oceans into permanent, stagnant supertides that swallow coastal cities without ever breaking a single wave. Deep below the crust, the Earth's molten core begins to violently shudder. The planet's stable axial tilt is broken, and the globe begins to wobble erratically on its axis. Seismographs around the world spike into catastrophic readings as the ground beneath our feet begins to tear open. Continental plates grind against each other, ripping massive, glowing fissures across the highways of civilization, while long, dormant volcanoes rupture into the sky. And out in the quiet void, the final countdown begins. The microscopic black hole's orbit is no longer stable. Slowly, relentlessly, it begins to spiral inward. As it approaches the Earth, it punches clean through our upper atmosphere, creating a massive, howling cloud vortex that vacuums our air out into space. As it enters our skies, it superheats the gases around it, transforming from an invisible phantom into a blinding, screaming point of electric blue plasma fire. It drops out of the sky like a cosmic needle, piercing straight through the crust, down through the mantle, and plunging deep into the very center of the Earth's core. Now, the internal consumption begins. From the inside out, the black hole begins to feed on our core mass. The crust caves inward, continents fold down into a central glowing abyssal drain, and the entire planet implodes into a fractured white-hot sphere of liquid rock. In a final blinding flash of light, the Earth is gone. There is no rescue. There is no return to normal. Where a vibrant blue civilization once stood, there is now only a single, pitch-black sphere of shadow, no larger than a billiard ball, drifting silently through the empty orbital lane. Our entire history, our triumphs, our monuments, and our memories, crushed forever into an artifact of absolute, eternal silence.